You have probably heard the word RAG by now. Retrieval Augmented Generation. Sounds complicated, but the core idea is very simple. RAG allows AI systems to look things up before answering. Instead of relying only on memory, the system retrieves information from documents, databases, PDFs, or company knowledge bases. Those documents are converted into embeddings, mathematical vector presentation. Then the retrieval system performs semantic search to find the most relevant information. That retrieved information becomes the context, and only then does the LLM generate the answer. That's why RAG systems are more accurate, current, secure, and scalable. Now let's understand RAG in simple terms. Without RAG, AI relies mostly on memory. The model predicts answers based on the training data, which may be outdated or may be incomplete. With RAG, the system first checks external sources like documents, databases, websites, or company authorized knowledge bases as well. It retrieves relevant information before answering. So instead of guessing first, the workflow becomes retrieve first and then answer second. That's why RAG systems are generally more accurate and reliable. Now let's understand this through an image. This image shows the retrieval workflow. A user asks a question, and instead of answering immediately, the system searches its indexed knowledge sources. You can think of it like an AI librarian. The retrieval system scans through the document through semantic search. Semantic means it searches based on the meaning, not just keywords. Then the most relevant chunks are passed into the LLM as context. Only after retrieval does the AI generate the answer. Now, most people describe RAG as the solution to hallucination. But the reality is a bit more complicated. RAG reduces hallucination, but it does not eliminate them completely. The model still depends on retrieval quality and context quality. That means problem can still happen even when we are using RAG systems. Now before we go further, let's understand what is hallucination. So hallucination happens when AI confidently generates information that is not true. You can think like a student confidently guessing instead of saying I don't know. The dangerous part is confidence. The answer sounds convincing even when it is wrong. RAG designed to reduce this issue but not completely remove it. So traditional LLMs hallucinate because they only rely on memory. But RAG changes that by introducing retrieval. Now hallucination still can happen because interpretation and generation. The model still interprets retrieved information and can misunderstand it. So RAG improves the input, but LLMs still decide the output. Now let's understand this even further, how this happens. So AI may stop hallucinating from memory, but now it can hallucinate from bad documents. If retrieval finds incorrect or outdated documents, the AI can confidently generate wrong answer from them. The problem shifts from memory failure to retrieval failure. So we can commonly say this: garbage retrieval creates garbage responses. Now where hallucination still can happen? So hallucination can still happen at multiple points. The system may retrieve the wrong information. The model may misunderstand the retrieved context. The important context may get buried in the middle. And finally, the AI may confidently generate a wrong answer anyway. The real-world RAG systems are far more complex than most tutorials actually show them. Now, before we understand how RAG actually works, we first need to understand the deeper problem hiding underneath modern AI system. Why LLM hallucinate why AI becomes outdated, and why retrieval became necessary in the first place. That's where we begin in section 1 of the RAG Mastery Playbook. EdgeTalks, clarity that moves with you.